As we continue working on and thinking about use of design and branding, the second part of the homework for this week is developing a brand. What goes into it? I want you to think about it. And so let's see here. Um, so the first part of the assignment this week, you should have looked out at how other people are using design and what have you to develop the face of their business, like on their websites, and how they're using design, aesthetics, and overall branding, because that's the face you're bringing out to people to see. So I'd like you to think and write about a little bit about it. So if you have a business you'll be working with this semester, write from the point of view of what went into developing your own brand. And so read this. So if you have a logo, are you the face of the brand? Does it have a tagline if you have a logo? What does the logo tell people when they see it about the business? Think about color schemes, fonts. What made you choose the logo, the colors, the fonts that you have chosen? If you and so on. So because what you want to do is build brand recognition. Obviously, something like if you see the apple with a bite out of it, you know it's Apple. If you see Costco's name, you know what it is. It's a big store that almost every town around here has one, and you can go shopping for large items. So you want to, like SeaWorld, you know that SeaWorld logo. Disneyland, you know that Disneyland logo. Things like that. They put a lot of thought into it. So if you don't have your own business, I want you to think about what you would do, what kind of colors, fonts, ideas, because I'm gonna have you figure out a fictitious business to work with. So if you have an area or a dream business you've always wanted to open or whatever, we'll get to that eventually. But I want you to think of this from a planning point of view instead of what you did previously for an existing logo and overall look. So here's a post you can look at to give you some ideas. So what I want you to do is write at least 5 paragraphs talking about the development of a brand. That's again your face of your company, whether it's your face or your colors and logos and what have you, so that it builds brand recognition. So that's how we're going to wrap up this week about design and aesthetics. Very important part of the job.